Hello guys, hope you are fine at all. Welcome to my YouTube channel Civil Engineering General Knowledge. Guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the more updates. Guys, it really helped me, encourage me and motivate me to make a better video in future. Thank you guys. Guys, today I just want to discuss a new topic, fine sand, sand or fine aggregate. Guys, this material is used for the concreting. This is used for the plastering, interior and exterior, much important construction material. Let's discuss construction. Sand is a fundamental raw material used primarily by the construction and paving industries. Combined with the gravel, they take the form of aggregate in concrete, Portland cement, asphalt, mortar and plaster. Guys, this is the usage. Sand is in a very commonly used in the construction, often providing bulk, strength and stability to other materials such as asphalt, concrete, mortar, render, cement and screed. Guys, different type of sand. What are the different types of sand used in construction? Guys, coral sand, glass sand, amateur sand and gypsum sand. These are the types of sand, guys. What is coral sand? Coral sand has several meanings. Glass sand. This type of sand mainly consists of silicon dioxide. And amateur sand. This type of sand composed of same minerals that made up the parent rock. This type of sand mainly consists of the calcium sulfate and dihydrate. Guys, what is the most common type of sand? Silica. The most common type of sand found in the non-tropical coasts and continental area is called silica and usually takes the form of quartz. This type of sand is extremely resistant to weathering due to chemical composition of silicon dioxide, which makes the grain very hard. Guys, what is the testing of sand? What are the tests we perform on the sand? Guys, bulking test. Sand can be tested when the batching concrete by the volume. Damp sand sample is placed in a straight side container filling to around 2/3 and roll is inserted to measure the depth of the damp sand, example 150 millimeter. The damp sand sample is then removed from the container and set aside. Clean water is poured to half fill the container. The sand is then placed in the water in 2 halves and tamped down with a rod to remove any air. The roll is inserted to measure the depth of the standard sand, for example 125 millimeter. The percentage of bulking can be calculated as follows. The percentage of bulking, difference in height between damp and saturated sand divided by depth of saturated sand. bulking is equal to 150 difference in height uh, between damp 150 and after dumping it is 124 divide by depth of sature sand. Depth of sature sand is 124 into 100, it is 21%, guys. Therefore, the volume of sand should be increased by 21% over the quoted in the specification. Silt test. This is another type of test we perform on the sand. This test is used to measure the cleanness of sand sample by establishing the percentage of silt present in this important as much silt will cleanse the concrete. As salt water solution of 5 mm salt to 500 mm water is poured to 50 mm in measuring cylinder, the sand sample is then added up to the 50 mm mark. Then salt water solution is poured up to the 150 mm before shaking the cylinder well. The mixture should be left to stand for 3 hours before measuring the height of the silt, which will have the settled on the top of the layer of sand. The height of this silt layer should not be more than 6 mm or 6% of sand sample height. Guys, this was a quick introduction to the sand and type of sand and the composition of sand and the test we perform on the quality of the sand. Guys, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Guys, it really helps me motivate me to make a better videos. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you guys, have a nice time. Bye bye.